Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna be doing self-care Sunday. As you guys can see, I just got out of the shower. My hair has been super duper dry lately, so I put a hair mask on in the shower. So right now my bangs are super straight and everything is unstyled, and my skin is looking so rough. I've been breaking out like crazy. I have so many random breakouts all over my face, so I really needed this. So to be pampering myself and doing a self-care Sunday, I'm doing my hair care, my skincare, and then putting on makeup, look pretty so I can go out and have fun. This is me in my default setting, and I'm looking real rough, guys. So to fix that, I am going to be doing my hair care first. First things first, I've got to do something about this. So I'm gonna go in with my pretty pink comb, and I'm just gonna be combing my hair. First step of my after shower hair care. Turn Exome Brush Ampoule is powered by 3 plant exomes to help ease hair loss signs. It's just a scalp tonic that you rub into your scalp for optimizing hair growth. What you do is that you basically turn it on right here by twisting the nozzle. You can see the serum is coming out like that in droplets, so you just run it through your hair. It feels really nice because you basically just use it as like a brush sort of. And boom, that's the first step of my hair care. This is to help revitalize my hair and make sure I don't lose any hair. Because I like to go in and rub my scalp just to help really rub in the tone. Now that everything is rubbed in, I can already feel my scalp being super healthy. I've got to take advantage of the fact that my hair is still damp from the shower and put in the rest of my hair care. Damage therapy no wash treatment. This one you can use after you shower. So this is what I'm doing while your hair is still a little bit damp. You use little pearls inside after. What you do is that you give it a little shake, and the iridescence. That is so pretty, and you just spray it into your hair. Notice about this is it kind of smells like a cleaning supply. Super duper dry before, but my ends have finally grown out to be like an acceptable length. Take care of my hair really seriously because I'm really afraid of hair loss. Next step is this Sunday hair repair oil. It is super cute. Is I just put a dollop, a pea-sized amount on my fingertips, and then I rub it into the ends only. Do not put this into the roots of your hair, into your scalp, because what it's going to do is that it's going to make your scalp super duper oily. That is it. It is super duper simple. The oil basically like evaporated from my hands and into my hair, and then I like to go in with a little bit of a comb as well, a little bit of a brush to make sure that my hair is not clumping up and that the oil is not causing my hair to like separate into little chunks. And up, I have the Monday Volume Texturizing Mousse. I'm be styling my hair a little bit. I definitely need this, and what this does is that this is really good for people with slightly wavy hair. It's for volume and for texturizing, so your hair is not super flat. One thing I noticed is that after the shower, my hair is definitely super flat because the water weighs it down, so there's not a lot of volume to work with, but this definitely helps a little bit. Looks like a little dollop of ice cream. That is so funny. Looks like whipped cream. And last brush through, I usually put it into my hair when my hair is a little bit still damp from the shower. I feel like this works the best. Basically the end of my hair care routine. Now I just let it air dry so that it can absorb all the product. Wondering what my hair care routine is like, then that is kind of half of it because you guys haven't seen what I use in the shower. But this is what I do for when I go out the shower for my self-care Sunday, to make sure I really take care of myself, help my hair grow super long and healthily. And now I'm gonna move on to my skincare because girl, your girl definitely needs it. I've been breaking out like crazy everywhere. Make sure to put my bangs into a roller because this helps with keeping them stylized the next day. My hair is a little bit damp. That's when it keeps the shape the best, so I always make sure to put it in when my bangs are a little damp and let them sit and air dry, and that keeps the shape for the next day. ever curious on how I roll my hair, I have a lot of tutorials on my TikTok that you can watch. But basically what I do is that I section out my bangs into a triangle shape and I roll them inwards towards my face. Then when they get to about halfway around my face, I twist it around and then continue rolling. And what this does is it gives you the infamous S shape with your bangs. This is just temporary to keep my hair up while I wash my face. The Madagascar Centella Ample Foam. I feel like this one works really well. My face feels like instantly like stripped clean later on. Okay, now that my face is all clean, let's move on with some of my favorite skincare. First step after washing your face is always toner. This is the Vitamin Boosting Essential Toner, and this is the one that I've been using daily. As you guys can see, I have almost basically used it all up. Wash my face. I always feel like my face is super duper dry afterwards, so I definitely have to do something about that. So I'm opting for a lot of hydration these days. My Torrid and Dive-In 5D hyaluronic acid serum is the best hyaluronic acid serum I've used in a while, and I feel like it really hydrates my face instantaneously. So this has been my go-to for a while now. Next up is the Lip Medic Blistex. This is just my standard lip balm. I don't know, my favorite one from Tapaco. So this is the one that I've been using lately. Afterwards, I'm going with number 3 Skin Softening Serum. This one is also kind of like moisturizer, but it also softens your skin instantaneously. It gives you kind of like a really nice glow, so I love to use this under my makeup. Next up is the Panto Active Soothing Cream. It's really good if you have like active acne like me. So this is what I've been using to kind of like soothe my skin. Next up, I like to go in with my eye cream. This is the Abib Collagen Eye Cream, and this one's a pretty standard your everyday eye cream, and this is what I use in the morning and at night. Eyelash serum. This has definitely helped my eyelashes grow exponentially, and I also use it on my bottom lashes, and I also feel like this has made like a big difference. Next and final step of my skincare routine is the Madagascar Centella Water Fit Sunscreen for a while now, so I love using this one, and I feel like it gives a really nice glow to your skin. To put on my perfume. I like to put it on after my skincare so that it has a little bit of a time to kind of settle in and not smell as strong. This is the My Burberry blush one. I also heard that when you have like lotion on your body and stuff, the perfume definitely lasts a bit longer, so that's definitely a hack that I've been using. That's it for my bathroom section. Let's go to my makeup desk and do some of my makeup. Welcome to my makeup desk. I'm gonna be doing some of my makeup now. Running out of time because I'm supposed to be meeting up with my friends pretty soon, and they're gonna come pick me up, so let's speed run this makeup, shall we? First step, I always spot conceal. Actually no, I do my cushion first and then I spot conceal. I feel like that helps with the coverage a lot, especially if you have active acne like me. Then that definitely helps like cover everything. Usually I alternate between this cushion and my favorite Chanel like foundation, but this cushion kind of broke on me, so I literally had to tape it together like this. Like, I'm gonna use my foundation because I kind of want to go for a glowy look. A little bit onto the back of my hand, and then I go in with my brush. Concealer I've been using, I love it so much. I just use this and go in and spot conceal around my eyes, nose, and around my eye. Then I basically like to take this Drew Doll little like tiny sponge and go in and just pat everything in to make sure everything is like super clean and super nice, and blend it in with my makeup. And ta-da, that's my base, and I feel like this gives a really nice glow to my base as well. But to add to the glow, I always love to go in with my glowy balm. This is the Hamish Glow Balm, and this is like their blush formula. I love their original Glow Balm, but this one's also really nice. I just go in a little bit on my sponge, and I just tap it in powder blush so that it blends in with basically my foundation. It gives me tap a little bit on my sponge, and I just blend it. Really natural blush. Look at that glow, guys. Look how beautiful that is. But yeah, look at that glow. That is so beautiful. I'm gonna go with some more powder glow and then do my eyebrows and stuff for my inner face, just to give myself like a brightening kind of effect. Then I'm gonna go in with this one just to add a little bit more color to my face. Eyebrows drawn and instantly feel much better about my face. Because guys, my friend just texted me that she's 20 minutes away. I'm gonna be using this Roman palette for the darker shades so I can draw in my eggo style and draw in like the deep shadows and stuff. To color in my eggo style and do like a brightening on my eggo style. Now it's time to go with my eyeliner. This has been my go-to eyeliner for so long. This is the Hero Make Long Stay Sharp Gel Liner. I love a good gel liner because I love to like flick it off with my nails. I feel like that gives it a really nice sharp look. And boom, just like that, eyeliner done. Now to really complete your eye look, I love doing this step. This is my favorite step of all time, is the mascara step. I feel like this definitely ties in your entire eye look together. You guys see my eyelashes? Look how nicely they're curled. And my favorite mascara, and just go in with a nice coat. I like to wipe it off on my tube, like the extra mascara, so that it doesn't clump together. I see that difference already. Lately I also really like putting some on my lower lashes, so I'm gonna do that as well. Side and then probably recurl them again, because after I apply mascara they always droop down a little bit. So I think my eyelashes are definitely drooping a little bit because of the mascara, but just ignore that. I'm gonna recurl them later. I'm choosing between cream or powder. I think I'm gonna do powder. I'm gonna stick to what I know. I got a couple more steps on my makeup to go, plus I have to like, so guys, are you one of those friends who are always late? Because I'm always a little bit late. Favorite contour powder, so good. I'm probably gonna buy a replacement in China. I heard it's so cheap over there, kind of like bake or whatever. I'm gonna put on some powder because I feel like my face is giving oily instead of glowy, so I'm just gonna powder some of my oily. Now I'm just gonna go in with my highlight. I love this highlight so much. I'm gonna put it on my nose and on in the corners of my eye. I don't even know what this is, but I think it's like a matte lipstick. So a lot of my favorite makeup products because I'm in between moving right now, so this is kind of what I had to settle for. Now I'm just gonna go with my lip tint. This is the one I've been using lately, the Roman. And I also like to go in with this one, the Peri Peri one, in the corners to give it more depth. I just go into my Chudital setting spray. Guys, that's my final makeup look. I'm back to my bathroom. Now I'm gonna be putting on in the claw clip, gave it a little bit of a wave and more volume. This is what I mean by like you always have to twist your bangs up, because look how nice of a swoop my bangs are giving right now. It's definitely herring. My fit, it's just blue jeans, Brandy Melville top, and then Brandy Melville top as well that I layered underneath to give it that really cute like layered. It really helps with that, and I feel like I feel so much like myself again. So I really enjoyed this video for Self-Care Sunday, and I can't wait to go out and eat with my friends. If you guys like this video, please leave a like and subscribe down below, and comment down below if you guys like this type of video and what was your favorite part for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.